Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add the Cash App card to Uber Eats as a payment method. So let's get right into it. Now, your Cash App card functions pretty much identical, or well, not functions identically to, since it already is a Visa debit card. So you can use it wherever Visa is accepted, and usually Visa debit cards are accepted as a form of payment on most platforms, Uber Eats included. So for this, you're going to need to add a payment method, and I will be using this guide on Uber to help you guys since I do not have access to Uber in my region. So I do hope you guys can understand that this is the best I can do at the moment. But let me go right through these steps. Now, what you're going to need to do is once you're in Uber, you're going to need to tap the profile icon in the bottom right and select wallet/payment. Then click on add payment in the top right corner and select the payment method you would like to add from the options available and proceed. Of course, for Cash App, you will need to select credit or debit card, and then you'll need to add that, and then once the verification is complete, the payment method will be successfully added. Now, the way that you find your data for your Cash App card is you go into Cash App, click on your card icon in the bottom left, second icon from the left, and then you will see your Cash App card. Now, it will mostly be blurred out or X'd out before you click on the eye icon in the top right. You can use either the app or the physical card, doesn't really matter, but if you're in the app, tap the eye icon to un-X the numbers that you need. So enter the 16-digit card number as well as the 3-digit CVV and the expiration date of the card. And after you do that, that is pretty much it. You just add that method as a method into Uber and you're pretty much done. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.